So what is up guys, welcome to HDT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, everyone knows about the 2020 iPhone lineup, the iPhone 12, the iPhone 12 Pro, the iPhone 12 Pro Max. You know everything about them, but in today's video I am going to be telling you that what is the exciting factor, what are the features which are going to be building up a lot of hype for this product. So today's video is going to be very special and you guys are definitely going to be loving it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, number one, I want to say the design. The iPhone 12's design is going to be more inspired from iPhone 4. It is going to be having this skeuomorphic, nice iPhone SE type, nice, smooth, little, but nice that design, that rectangular, a little bit solid and thicker, but still a nice creepy design. Again, having a nice flat sides is going to be great, and not just that, Apple is going to be giving it a slight curve, but that is going to be very slight and subtle, but the main flat sides are going to be there. So for this, Apple has to change a lot of things in their design. And the next thing, it is going to be the best thing ever, I would say, and that is Apple is going to be supposedly working on a 5nm process. If you don't know what is 5nm process, when it is of the processors, the silicon processors, the SoC, the present in your chip, it is going to be, the current generation is 7nm process. So if Apple is going for the 5nm process, it is not just going to be smaller in size, but also more efficient in battery life. It is the optimization for the battery life and the processing power is going to be incredible. So that is the second thing which is very exciting for the iPhone 12. Now the third thing is its display. It is going to be featuring a 120Hz display according to few people and few sources, and also it's pretty obvious because Apple already has the technology with their iPads. iPads already have 120Hz refresh rate display panels, so Apple can easily put it in the next generation. Now the fourth thing which I'm going to be discussing is Apple is going to be putting a 5G modem in it. Okay, Apple is planning to build their own modem, but as if for now they are trying their level best to get a beautiful modem, the 5G supported modem from Intel and Qualcomm. So they are going to be definitely trying for it, and Apple is indeed working behind making a modem themselves, and let's hope for the best. And now let's talk about the fifth thing, and that is battery life. Again, if Apple is opting for a 5G modem, they definitely need a greater battery life because 5G internet speed needs a lot of battery life. So again, Apple is going to be increasing the battery life, and let me tell you, the current generations of iPhones have an incredible battery life. It's more than sufficient for a normal person, and it will give you easily 1 day battery life for sure. And that is the great thing. And if Apple in future is planning for more battery life, it is definitely appreciated. And guys, I want to just say these are the 5 things, lot drastic or innovative. Now the sixth thing which I want to say is USB Type-C. Apple is going to be opting for USB Type-C. Again, Scotty Allen from Strange Parts is trying to put USB Type-C in iPhone 11. So let's hope for the best, and let's hope when he will be successful at it. And guys, again, next year USB Type-C is going to be coming, and not just that guys, everything but iPhones are going to be featuring the fourth camera, a smaller, a standard camera, a wide angle, the ultra wide angle, a telephoto, and a depth sensor. So this is the all of the news which we have so far regarding iPhone 12, and which makes us feel more hyped and more pumped up for this device. So guys, if there's going to be any other update from iPhone 12, I'm definitely going to be covering it up. So consider subscribing to our channel. So if you have liked today's video, if you like, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and also like this video and leave a comment that what are your thoughts regarding iPhone 12 and in general Apple's 2020 strategy. So guys, I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then,